Hey, this is Kevin from Blender Binge. In this video, I'm going to go over making this spaceship that I made in this other video that's like linked up here. And like after watching this video, you're going to be like, seriously, dude, like why did you even make this video? And well, I made this video because people are asking how I did the ship. So here we go. First thing I did is I just go add mesh and I'll just say like torus, okay? And these are the settings for the torus. I did like 1.2 and then 0.75. Okay, nothing special, just that's it. Segments 48 and 12. The magic thing happens when you go add mesh and you enable this add-on called Discombobulator. Discombobulator. Sounds like something from a cartoon. Discombobulator, right? And these are the settings I used. Max height or min height 0.2, max height 0.4, min taper. Like you could do a screenshot of this if you want, and that's fine. And then the only thing I did here, I didn't say make doodads because that just kind of like makes my computer go crazy. But repeat protrusions too. And I just hit OK. And I wait, and I get this, right? And it gives you like two of these things. So I don't want this first one, so I'm just going to delete it and go with this thing. And then all I did was just scale it down a little bit. And that's pretty much it. And you just, you know, it's pretty much like a crappy thing. But the cool thing is, like, if you look at this, it's all these like protrusions and they do all these like really cool things. And when you have a shader on it and it's, you know, some good lighting and stuff, and it's like at a decent distance, it looks kind of cool. So I just used it. So I said, yeah, like I took like, you know, less than 10 seconds to build a crappy spaceship. Like that's what I meant. Like it's crap. But like you said, you know, you add shaders on this and stuff and it looks pretty cool. So you could take a shader like from this video up here and apply it, and then you'll get something like this with some lights. And that's it. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.